Hello everyone, I'm Little K. We continue from the previous chapter. Then explain these features in this setup settings. There is also a function in it. First, let's put this lamp first. Let's beautify it first. I really can't stand it. I chose this set of lights. Move a little to the left. Move a little to the right. Then move this set of lights out a little bit. This way, my lamp will be very easy to operate. These three. This group is the same as the following group. Move it a little to the side. Now I need to change the color of them, make them a little more eye-catching. This set of lights, this set of lights and this set of lights. I haven't changed this set of lights. I want to change it. After being wrong, what to do if you make a mistake? Press this oops. Step back. Step back. Okay, step back. There will be no problems. I picked it. Move to the left. Move down a bit. Move to the left. Then it needs to be done. Change it to 1 here on the second page. This should also be changed to 1. 1 bar. Should it be 1 or 0.8? Then follow it horizontally. Just move forward a little. Wrong point. On the first page, put this lamp. In fact, we chose it. I forgot how to use it when I narrowed it down. We click on the arrangement here. Tools. 123. Diverge inward. Diverge inward. Actually, that's it. This diverges inward. After ordering, let's click X to go. Move a little inside. Okay, it's beautiful. We select the first set of lights. Let's just order the whirlpool. Light up all the lights in the whirlpool. Click to the third page. Change its color. Replace it with a red one. Look here. The second item is red. You see clearly. You see it's all red. I like the second set of lights. I picked it. I changed it to green. You can change to yellow, because we choose the light is yellow. In this case, you will not be able to tell if you have selected the light or not. We'll change it to an orange one. We will change it to a sky blue color. Sky. We will change it to a strange one for this group. Pink. The last set of lights changes its color. What color to change? I don't really like this. Looks a little tired. Let's be clear. We want to go back to all the lamps. We will follow the whole of this whirlpool. You see, this lamp. After changing the color, doesn't it feel quite eye-catching? So you can understand which set of lights is which lights. Which type of lamp is it? Suppose this blue. Then I know what kind of lamp it is. This blue is 20. This is a power lamp. Right. This one is 330. This one is 1200. This one is 4 eyes. This is a long pixel. When you are more concerned about color, You'll be much clearer about this thing. Okay, what's next? We need to talk about tools. Tools. Only 4 lines are used here. Then I'll put one more line and a red function out. Create a red feature. First, double-click on the asset label control grid to symbolize an app. Don't let me hit. I click here. That's a naming. Give yourself a name first. It's called label. What to say label? Label. Right or wrong? Okay, I'm going to name the first one. The first one is called Archaeos. Name the second. The second is layout. No need to name it. Name a fart. We are the first to see. What is it like now? 1 to 12. A row. But I was on that stage. Did not play this video. So what should I do? I chose this lamp. Dot settings. Go in from this one. The first is called a straight line. I chose a straight line. Later. The first is the beginning. The one on the right is not moving. The one on the left is moving. This is a direct turn. The crooked axis on the right does not move. The one on the left is moving. On the contrary, it's the other way around here. This side is not moving. This side is moving. This side is not moving. Up and down here. This is the line. What about the circles? Round. It will directly organize it into a circle for you. The first one. The one with the total size of the circle. The diameter of the total radius. Not radius. It's radius. Its diameter size. This one. The start is not moving. The degree at the end is increasing or decreasing. This one is rotation. Turn left. Turn right. Turn. Okay. The last one is the most important. Suppose you see, we are now 1,234,567. I want to 1,234,567. Then I can only use the last method. How about the last method? Turn it 360 degrees in turn. 330 degrees. You see. In fact, you can turn slowly. Go to this parallel position. Here are parallel positions. You see, this is 1,234. These are several functions of the circle. What about this one? It's the matrix. Matrix 4 by 4. Then we are 12 and so on. It must be 4 by 4. We can 2. 3 by 4. 3. This is changed to 4. It can be like this. We change it to 2. Here it will be changed. Change it to 6. It should be 2 rows. If this is changed to 6. Here this becomes 2 rows. So, this one is the choice between its ranks, and this is its level. Level. Vertical. Then you see that I am now 123,456. Then I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second is here. 3 over there. Then I can use the horizontal tool. Carry out this and vice versa, right? Is it okay to do the other way around? Then I think about it below. Then I can use this thing the other way around. The tools are very flexible. What about this? These tools are for relatively simple performance. There may only be 20 or 30 lamps. If you can quickly release it, then you really don't need to do this stage. You just need to be in this layout. Use this tool. Just make it quickly. The fourth is the camera. You all know that. This is the feature. And then, let's sort it out first. 4 floors 4. What is this? Rotate. You see. Various spins. It's fun. Sometimes you want to make this weird shape. You are done spinning for sure. You can make strange shapes when you look at them. What about this? Is its size? The overall reduction and enlargement. The first is the reduction and enlargement of the whole. This is an amplification of X. X you see relaxation. Why relax? If you adjust this, it will be relaxed overall. This one is also very, very practical. These tools are very practical. Usually fine. Let's say you're done. After doing this, you can use the tool you just used to rearrange this. See if you can line it up. Okay. This one is Arcos. I'm done lining up. And then, let's talk about the tools in it. After these tools are over, let's talk about the tools in it. The first one of course is moving. You all know that. Move X, move Y. Page 2 size X, size Y. Overall dimensions. Page 3. This is a color change. You know that too. Let's change the color. Just change the color. This is the font color. This is the icon. You can change it to this icon. You see, this is the icon of the lamp. Then I am a server. Then I will. A layer. You see, it is the layer. Can be modified. And in it, it's not just about using it. You can also insert it in the picture, import, loading, and so on. What about this? You can do your own research. I won't talk too much about this thing. Then there is another option here. We now use the mouse to select it. It is to choose it. Select it. What about this? It's move. Move this box. There is also a box here, small boxes. It can be boxed. What about this little box? Used in bitmap effects. Use this flavor to illustrate the effect or frame it. Let's say you have nothing to do. You can use this. For example, this. You frame this thing. You frame this thing again. It seems to be very fun. In fact, it's really not necessary. Right, no need. Then you have nothing to do. You can frame it all. Then this is the text. Write in it. This one is you who pick it. Then, you can click to edit. Edit it and there are some in it. Lots of options. What about these? I won't explain. Later. It may be gradual in the future. All the features that have not been discussed before. Carry out more improvement. Share it with everyone. This is the function of these 2 or 3 pages. And here's the one above. Zoom out and zoom in. Right. Choose mobile settings and more. Quickly call it out. There is not much to share with you. After being able to get started, I will have the opportunity to understand it slowly in the future. All these features. What about the next chapter? Let's talk about the layout in addition to placing this lamp. Options can also be assigned. Assign some objects. Assign some replace. Assign what you want to assign. And then, let's explain this layout diagram again. Some of these features. Okay. That's all for now. Thank you.